How to get verified on Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update Facebook to the latest version. Then open up Facebook on a device. Now wait for some time and tap on three lines at the top right corner. Now simply scroll down. Now tap on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Now simply tap on see more in account center. Now scroll all the way down to the bottom and tap on subscriptions. Now tap on Meta Verified. Now scroll down. Now tap on Join Waiting List. Now once you get it on, you will get a notification. Then you simply have to go to Account Center. Again scroll down. Now tap on Subscriptions. Tap on Meta Verified and subscribe to Meta. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.